Hey everybody, my name is Charlie, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to escape from the Scapists, The Walking Dead, the Family Greene Ranch. The Greene Family Ranch, I don't know, something like that. It's the first real prison of the game. Or not prison, but whatever. So, it kind of is a tutorial. Like, the first one really is a tutorial. But this one kind of tells you what to do. But it's not as easy. Yeah. And I'm going to be showing you how to get 3 trophies by doing it. So no matter what, you're going to get a trophy for beating it. But this way, I'm doing this on day 1. Anyway, so guide Rick to Carl's bed. Your place, Rick. It's really interesting how different they are. Because, like, this one, there are no cops, and there's the difference of roll call is now head counts. It's really interesting because, so you have to give these 3 things that you'll see on the map, okay? Which is really interesting because instead of roll call, you get head count, and everybody lines up around you, and you talk to them saying everything's going to be okay, you're going to leave them out, etc., etc. Which I just thought was kind of cool and different, and And around here, in that little safety bag, you will find a pistol. Good. Yeah, the Greene Family Ranch. So get the pistol. It only has 6 ammo, but you're gonna need it. I recommend you get the sickle as well. And I'm using the hatchet I found on somebody's desk. We can only recruit 3 people, and I did not know that at the time. And you can give them weapons. I don't know if you can give them pistols or not. I think you can, actually. I just didn't do that because I can only find 1. You've got the purifier. You combine the forceps, which are scissors, I think, bandages, and purifier to create operating kit. Now find Herschel and give him the operating kit. And then he'll fix Carl up. I've actually never seen the show, I'm just remembering this. Is it a book? I don't know. So now you can recruit survivors and lead him to the bed. Okay. Apparently he got a bullet in him, so we're through surgery on him. It was just a cut now, so. See, he pulled up the bullet and stopped the bleeding. I was like, the barn? You don't want to go near the barn. So now you have to investigate the barn. And get 2 other people. So, let's go. Because Herschel will already be with you. And I did not read it, you cannot get other guy. Because I was just being so weird, I did not actually read what that guy had to say. In a regular game, when you compliment somebody, they say something like that, so I thought that's what he was saying. Okay. Final objective, explore the level in order to arm your survivors. Now I read it. Anyway. So, I put up weapons inside of my desk. I found other people's desks. And the strongest ones the ones that worked for me, the meat saw, I think, the hammer, and the hatchet, and the sickle. Okay, now beat him up. For some reason, the pistol's not doing any damage, basically, because last time I beat it with 4 shots. And now he's got to beat up the rest. Here are the guys in there. You wait a little while, you can see their health on the top left. You can't actually see Rick's health, but whatever. If you die, you have to restart the whole day. I'm not kidding. So you do not want to die. Skip a little bit. The zombies do not come back, and if one of your guys dies, you have to revive them, else they'll die. You do not want a survivor to die if you want to get a golden trophy called no casualties. Even knocked out. You know, go to dinner, then just go back out. Whatever. Checking the rucksack. Crafting note. Bingo. You don't need those, I don't think. Okay, so you'll have everybody knocked out except this guy. Get the red key. Actually, I recommend getting all of these things. Get the red key. Go down, and you are out of here. I'm not kidding. Easy as that. First day. Wait, or did it show the trophies? Okay, maybe it didn't show the trophies on the video, but I got 3 trophies. One for escaping it, one for escaping it within 10 days, one for escaping it with nobody getting knocked out. And the overall record is actually 105 in the PS4 version. I mean, 10,500. No! Whatever. 105. Take care, watching. Bye.